welcome back to Huson DIY. My name's Matilda.
My name's Ben.
And today we're going to make some special Halloween earrings and like little skulls and pumpkins.
Should we show that our watchers what we're going to make? You show them, Matilda.
We might make these huge ones.
Huge. Shall I show the camera?
So on it
You need
we've
to
got...
put it a bit closer, look. So look, I'll just show. Look at them ones, and then you tell her what have we got there then?
We've got a pumpkin witch, a bat, a pumpkin, a ghost, another pumpkin and a skull.
Cool, so that's them ones. We've got these black skull ones. Let me just show the camera.
You might not be able to see all the details.
No, but so we've got different skulls out there. Yeah.
What today we've got to use is some new glow in the dark makeup powders we haven't opened yet.
So there we go. Let's show them to the camera. So glow in the dark powders.
So we're going to start with the earrings first. For the earrings, we've got some ghosts, some skulls, some pumpkins that I'm going to start off with, and some spider webs that we might do at the end because they're a tiny bit tricky. Because you have to get in all of those cracks.
Okay, so let's get mixing some resin. So again, as usual, we're using Craft Resin. We use Craft Resin for all our resin things. We love it, don't we, Tilda? And we'll put a link in the description where you can get 10% off yourself. If you use our link, our referral link, you'll get 10% off your own Craft Resin.
So we're in the office, we've left the skulls for a couple of days and they're ready to get keyrings and all the earrings are ready as well.
That's right. So, the resin skulls look really cool, don't they, Tilda? Look, they get some real...
It's like these normal ones.
Yeah, some real detail out of the mould. They look great.
Yeah.
And so these ones, Tilda, what do these ones do though?
Then when the yellow ones go in the dark.
So if you wait till the video at the end, we'll show you them glowing in the dark. So as Matilda said, we're going to make the earrings next. And because we're going to design these for Matilda and for other little girls that might not have their ears pierced, we thought we'd use clip-on. So we've got some clip-on earrings sets, and we're going to use them.
We've got some pierced ones.
And we also got normal like ear pierced earrings. So for these ones, we're going to use a clip-on because Matilda can wear them.
Yeah.
And then we're going to make more and more and more, and we're going to sell them in our online shop. So if you've got any ideas of what colour we should do for our earrings, drop it in the comment section. Yeah, and we can make some different colours, can't we?
Yeah.
But we'll be making these and the earrings and the skulls, and they will be going in our online store.
Yeah.
So next up, we'll show you the process of making some earrings.
I'm going to show you what we've done. So we've put a ring there with a keychain from the Keyrings. And then we've got the clip on and I'm going to try it on. What does it look like?
Can't see your hand anyway. Whoa, it looks amazing! Wow! Okay, should we make the other one and you can put them both on, yeah?
Yeah, can I see what it looks like?
You go look at mirror and we'll make the other one. Okay, Matilda's got them both in now. Looking amazing. They feel comfy, Tilda?
Yeah, they feel actually great comfort. This is
Yeah.
my bad ear, so when I always put my other clip on earrings on, it actually hurts on the see, but this one doesn't.
They look fantastic, don't they?
Yeah.
Okay, should we go something dark so we'll see if they glow in dark?
Yeah.
Okay, so they're not glowing that much at the moment because they've not been in the sunlight very much, but Tilda has got them on and they're looking ace, aren't they, Tils?
Yeah, I just really want to look at them.
You want to look in the mirror? Go look in the mirror then. Okay, Matilda's going to try all the earrings on now, shows how they all look, and she's got a super special outfit on as well. Go.
So guys, and as you know, Daddy was talking about this outfit. It's my Halloween outfit, and I wear it on Halloween.
Scary witch, Matilda, eh? Scary witch.
In my hair.
Even your hair. So what have you got in there? Which ones have you got in?
The skulls.
They're the skull ones. Awesome.
We don't have the light off because we need to. They're not in daylight and they don't really light up a lot.
That's right, yeah. So obviously they glow in the dark, but they work off UV. So they've been in a dark place today, so they've not charged up properly. So we need to either put them in the sunlight or we need to charge them up with a UV torch. Okay, which ones you got in now, Matilda?
The ghosts.
Ghosts, let's have a look. Eating still. Ooh, spooky. Okay, so these are the last ones, Matilda. What have we got?
Pumpkins.
Pumpkins. They're cool, aren't they? Yeah. Awesome.
These are my skulls.
Switch the light off. Ooh, spooky.
These are the Keyrings glowing in the dark.
Okay, so Matilda showed you off the earrings. We did the glow-in-the-dark skulls. We've got the other skulls as well. So Matilda's going to wear some of them tonight, aren't you, Matilda? So, as I said before, these will be available in our online shop soon with other colours along with the skulls. So hopefully you've enjoyed watching us make these. They've turned out really, really cool. It's brilliant because people that don't have their ears pierced can obviously wear them with the clip-ons. So that's it. Yeah, anything else to say, Matilda?
It's nearly bedtime, so please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.